What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Apple Card. Um, this is a pretty popular card that's been talked about a lot. Um, I didn't get a chance to review it when it first came out, but I thought why not do one now at the beginning of 2021. Um, and basically, this card has no annual fee. It's a metal card, titanium metal, so it's really nice. It looks really cool. It's really clean. Um, but first of all, in order to get this card, you have to be 18 or older. You also have to be in the United States. And more than likely, you need a credit score of 600 or above. But I have heard of people being able to get this card as their first card. Um, but to be honest, just to cut to the chase, I don't think that this is that great of a card. I think that there's so many better cards that come with better perks. This card doesn't have a sign-up bonus, which to me is the biggest convincing factor to get a card. It doesn't have one, so I think that's already a loss, an L right there. Like pretty much every other good entry level card, starter card, which I think this card fits in with, has a better, more competitive sign up bonus. But with this card, you do get 3% back on Apple products. So if you really, really like Apple products and you spend a lot there, maybe you can justify it. I still think that the 3% back is not really worth it, because if you spend 1,000, you only get $30 back. Or let's say you spend $3,000 in 1 year at Apple, it's only like $90. Whereas if you go and get a Chase card, Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Freedom Flex, spend $500, you already get $200 back. So that's a much better return in my opinion. But you do get 3% back for Apple products. You also get 3% back on Uber Eats, T-Mobile, Exxon, Mobil, Nike, and Walgreens. So if you shop there a lot, you can get 3% back at those places, which is not bad at all. You also get 2% when you use Apple Pay, but I personally don't use that a lot. A lot of places don't still don't take Apple Pay, so if you go somewhere and they don't have Apple Pay, then I guess you're out of luck. You could still use the card, but you would get 1% back. So if it's not if it's not an Apple product, if it's not using Apple Pay, and if it's not at those stores I just mentioned, Uber Eats, T-Mobile, ExxonMobil, Nike, and Walgreens, then you're going to get 1% back on everything else, which is pretty standard with any card across the board. Right now, there's a current sign-up bonus. If you spend, you get $50 back with a new Apple card when you spend $50 or more with Apple Pay in the first 3 months at Exxon, or Mobil gas stations in the first 30 days. So it's pretty specific. You could get $50 back, but again, I think that there's better cards. It's not the worst card. I don't want to say it's like terrible, but I just think that there's more competitive cards. I think this card is, maybe for people who are really brand loyal to Apple. Apple's their favorite company, and they just diehard Apple fans, and they want a metal card with no annual fee. It's a cool card. I'm sure if you whip it out, people are gonna be like, ooh, like I've never seen one. So it's probably like a cool conversation topic, I guess. But other than that, I don't really see the appeal. Like I said, all the other cards have better sign-up bonuses. Now, I know that the user experience with this card is great. As with any Apple product, when you use the card, it shows you where you spent it. It shows you like how much interest you're accumulating, how much you need to pay. On the app and everything, it's pretty nice. But I don't think it's anything special. I also do understand that not everyone wants to rack up like 10 credit cards. You know, some people just want a couple cards, and just be able to use those and just keep those as their daily drivers. So if you're one of those people and you feel like you can get a lot of benefit from using Apple Pay, if you use Apple Pay all the time, buy a lot of Apple products, you just like a no annual fee metal card that looks cool, and you shop at Nike a lot or Walgreens or Exxon, Uber Eats, then you know you could probably get a lot of value out of this card. If you're one of those people that doesn't want to rack up a bunch of points or a bunch of cards or sign-on bonuses, I don't know why you wouldn't, because it's free money. But
it's free, nigga.
If you are one of those people, then you could definitely get some value out of this card. But other than that, I think there's better cards out here, out there that you know, the Chase Freedom is better. Like I said, Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Freedom Flex, American Express Wells Fargo Propel card, the Bank of America Cash Rewards, the Bank of America Travel Rewards. Yeah, I could just keep going on. There's better cards that are all free and come with better sign-up bonuses and, in my opinion, better perks. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. No, I'm just kidding. Please don't hit the dislike button. Subscribe if you want. That would be awesome. I'm at 8 subscribers, so it would be cool to get to like 10. If you like me enough, you can turn on post notifications. And feel free to drop a comment below. Tell me if you like this video or if it sucked, you know, or if you think there's better cards that I missed, or if you feel like you can get a lot of value and I'm totally wrong and this is the best card ever. Feel free to leave it in the comments. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.